In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your x.com or Twitter likes in just a few quick steps. This is really helpful if you want to find a post you liked earlier, revisit something you saved in your mind, or simply check your liked history on your account. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main sections of your profile and account. Now click on Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where all of your account activity is organized in one place. On this page, you'll see several tabs underneath your profile header. These usually include posts, replies, media, and more. To view your liked posts, click on the Likes tab. As soon as you select it, X will show you a chronological feed of every post you have liked on that account. You can scroll through this list to revisit older likes or quickly find something you interacted with before, and that's all there is to it. In just a couple of clicks, you can see all of your X likes anytime you want. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next simple walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.